Walk to the beach. 3-bedroom/2.5 bath townhouse with many upgrades. Upgrades include hurricane-proof windows, remodeled primary bath 2018 with slow-close barn door and vanity drawers. Primary closet was converted to spacious walk-in. Custom laundry closet with built-ins. Enclosed courtyard entrance and private back patio overlooking golf course. Roof replaced in 2016. Water heater 2017. Welcome to this wonderful 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom townhome. The beach access with restrooms and showers is just a stone's throw away, and the on-site pool is located just outside from the front door. Features include an enclosed front courtyard, a spacious back deck, plenty of owner storage, smooth ceilings, and assigned parking. Inside, you'll find an open floor plan that offers plenty of room for everyone in your family to spread out and unwind. The updated kitchen features stainless steel appliances, lots of light and white cabinetry. Additional highlights include tile flooring throughout the downstairs and abundant natural light throughout. Sold fully furnished and move-in ready, this is the perfect beach getaway, second home, or short-term rental investment. Enjoy being steps from the beach.